Today is installation wall day. 20 centimeter thick, 8-inch thick polystyrene blocks, which we are going to build the lower part of the foundation and then of course build up all the way to the top with polystyrene. Today we are going to start to install the first layer and fix the ground ready for installing the pipes. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we pretty much dug this big hole, which is 10.5 meters by 6.5 meters and 3.5 meters deep, which is going to house our geothermal piping underneath the frost line, and we're going to be able to pump hot or cold air from the greenhouse inside the ground, heat up the ground like an earth battery, and be able to use that in the greenhouse. Half of the pipes are here, 100 meters of 4-inch 10 centimeter pipe, which doesn't have holes in, which overseas you just buy it with holes. It's so easy, so we have to drill the holes ourselves. We are still waiting for the 6-inch 150 centimeter manifold pipes, which will run the length of the greenhouse and up, which is going to actually take the air in. We're still waiting for that, hopefully later on this week, so we will install that on the next video. We've just been trying to calculate exactly how to get the foam to stay together so we can have a real solid base, so that when we start putting in the soil it doesn't break and doesn't fall apart. So that's pretty much our challenge. Fantastic, Zula's dad's been helping us with that. We have been just fixing the ground a little bit so it's a little bit more even. We're going to start putting in the polystyrene. Of course, it doesn't have to be completely level, because once we get to the top, we're going to put one more layer at the top, which we're going to then be able to cut and have it exactly line on the top when we start putting concrete and concrete blocks before we build the greenhouse, the footing. So,
and then we will see how much we can do today.
Yeah, we're just going to keep going. Work, work, work.
Work, work, work.
And work, work, work.
Otta.
Since we do the corner, it's going to be a little more stable. So we do the corners first, and then once we have all the corners set out, we can put in the long ones and attach them together with some wood, drill them. The wood of course is not going to live forever, it'll rot away, but at least it's going to hold it while we start putting in all the rocks and stones and soil. We do the bottom layer diagonally, so 1 meter and 2 meters, so that we can work behind and start to fill up, and then the second one we will go the other direction, 1 meter across, 2 meters up, so it looks nicer. Very cool. So we came up with this little easy plan. We have a lot of thin cuts of wood that we got really cheap. So what we're going to do is we got 25 centimeter screws, so we're going to have 2 pieces of wood on each side and then screw it together, so it's going to clamp like we have over here. So I think that's just going to be the easiest way to get them to stay straight all the way on the bottom and hold while we're putting in the dirt. So that's what we came up with, and maybe there's easier ways to do it, maybe there's better ways to do it, but it works, so let's get it done. The reason that we are doing it like this, we will do one side, so that when we're in the hole we can just take one insulation sheet and feed it in, and we will then continue on the next one and on the next one. The reason we're doing that is because once we get here, it's very difficult to hold the wood there while we're drilling it together, but this way it's solved. So anyway, yeah, let's carry on with it. Inspection.
Nice.
Is it a good job?
Yeah,
Will it work?
will work. Yes. Have to work. Yeah. Really stable. Good. You know what? Needs to clean it.
Yes, you must clean it.
Too dirty.
It's too dirty.
Why did you do this?
So we have got all the corner pieces done. We've made it a bit like I don't know, a jigsaw puzzle. All the pieces are going to fit. So now we're going to try to get the corner pieces inside the hole, and then we can start fitting all the side pieces before we start to level everything up and get everything sorted out. Let's go get these things in the hole. So one down, 3 to go. Woo.
You know what? We missed the one corner piece.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank goodness it's not gonna rain today.
Yeah. But we had a little bit of snow. Yeah, so we got all our 4 corner pieces in the hole. Now we're just trying to make sure that we have enough space. We need to actually just take a little bit from the wall just to make everything fit in. Yeah, we're getting it. So now we have everything lined up. We have our distance, everything fits, everything is square. So now we can drill and support. And the bottom ones, and that's what I talked about, that we put the wood on like this and slide it in because we can't get back there to the wood. So fantastic. If anybody out there would like to send me a sample or a free belt where I could put all my tools in, I will highly appreciate it, because otherwise I have stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
Took it. see, I don't have a belt. And I have to put everything in the polystyrene and nobody wants to buy me a belt. So guys, we are going to call it for today. We got most of the bottom side done and all the corner pieces made up. We have one more corner to do, but we're going to tackle that tomorrow because it needs to go up a little bit. Plus Flame has been inside all day and he's missing us, so we're going to go spend some time with him, make some dinner. We catch up with you tomorrow and we carry on. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
And then my boy.
So just stay for a little while.
He's our little construction worker.
Yeah. Safety first.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are.
Say good night.
The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever.
Hi, good morning, guys.
Welcome back. It's the next day. It has snowed a little bit during the night and it's really a bit cold this morning. But it's only about -2. So we're going to jump back in the hole and continue with the foundation wall, even though it's not a sunny day. But we need to get this job done.
Yeah.
So let's go down and explain what we need to continue doing. So we have fixed the other side and all the way along here, getting it level. Now we just have to finish off this side and this corner. We left it to today because it's quite a lot of work. I think we need to actually have this a little bit higher because the ground is really uneven. And that's our job for today. Then we can start to build the wall up from there and brace it with the wood. We see it's a bit windy today, but we keep going.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the fall. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a
Getting there. We have finished off the first layer. We have of course a couple more pieces of wood to put around before we can start installing the second and last layer. But yeah, now we're gonna go inside and warm our fingers and have some lunch, and then we will continue after that. See you guys.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our days are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for tonight. Called future's bright.
So guys, we're back at it after lunch. We've started working on the corner pieces. Basically what we want to do is we want to get all 4 corner pieces made up before we take them down and fit them in. That will make our jobs a lot easier to get them done. But we're going to start making up the corner pieces and then see how far we get.
Yep.
Yeah, it's getting cold, but we got to keep on working.
Work.
Work.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the fire. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a past. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gonna give.
No, I can't.
Push harder. Push harder. Push harder. So guys, we finished off 2 of the 4 sides and we realized we don't have enough material to finish off the other 2, so we're going to have to continue with that tomorrow. But we're also going to head to a place called 100 Families. We're going to look for some different type of piping as well, because the company that we want to get the 150 millimeter or 200 millimeter piping, the machine is still broken and we don't know how long it's going to take, so we need to start looking for more material. Plus we need to get some new screws and all that type of stuff. 100 Families, which is pretty much where you find all the stuff that you need. So we're going to head there tomorrow. We might take you guys along and show you a little bit about that.
Yeah, goes to 100 families 100 times.
100 families 100 times, for sure. Okay guys, we're going to jump in and get warm and spend some time with Flame. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Morning, everybody. Now we're going to actually head into a place called 100 Families. It's a shopping area with hundreds of small stalls that sell all different types of things, building materials, so we can go and get some of the materials that we're missing. We're also going to look for some extra piping as our plans have changed, but we'll explain that a bit later when we get home.
Yeah.
So let's head off and have a look at this crazy place called 100 Families.
Goes to 100 times.
So that you have to go to 100 times. Okay, guys, let's go. We made it now to 100 Families. Took some time because of the traffic is absolutely crazy. But we're going to go inside. We really need to start finding some material. On the way here, we found out that the factory that's going to make the manifold pipes, they don't have it. So we really need to find an alternative and solve that today so we can get back on schedule. So we're going to show you a little bit of the shops inside, get the stuff that we need before we head back to the homestead.
And find something in Mongolia is like real adventure.
Yeah, it's a real adventure to try to find anything. Material is really hard to find in Mongolia.
Yeah. That makes everything interesting, actually.
Yes, it definitely. It makes it so exciting. So this is Mongolian parking for you. This is the gate exit that we need to drive out of. Some guy parks his car right here and then goes in the shopping center. So we can't get out.
Great. Only us.
Look,
This is the parking
Mongolian parking for you.
exit. What did you got?
It's to cut the holes for the pipe into the manifold pipe. Yeah. The right side is perfect. We finished now at 100 Families. We've got the things that we needed to get. We're gonna go back to the homestead now and we're gonna wait for some of the deliveries that are gonna come later on this afternoon and then we can get back to work. We'll catch you guys back at the homestead.
Yeah.
Ciao. More pipes have arrived. Fantastic. Thank you to our trusty Mongolian driver. We would not be able to do this without him.
Yeah.
Unless you had a really, really big car by yourself, but we don't. So he's really, really helping us out a lot. Basically what we've done is we've purchased another 100 meters of piping for the greenhouse. Thanks so much to some friends of ours that have reached out to us from our last video. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, John. We've increased the size of piping from 100 to 200. That's kind of all the piping that they have left in Mongolia, and we kind of can't get any more. And we have been able to find 150 millimeter pipes, which we're going to use for the manifold pipes, but also from some help from you guys. We're also going to get 220 millimeter pipes that we found, which is going to be running the horizontal length. And then we're going to go 150 millimeter out with the manifold pipe to the 100 millimeter pipes, which are going to have holes in for transferring the hot air and cold air.
Yeah.
Let's have a look what we got.
So this is the 150 millimeter pipe. It's really hard plastic, made for under the ground, so should be strong enough. So here's got the one more 100 meters. So this is the 100 millimeters pipe. He's gonna make a hole into it, like, oh! I don't know when we're gonna finish. No, wait.
Okay.
Hopefully one day. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we get this unpacked?
Let's do that.
Yeah.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. So, Pa. What's in there?
Here's to cap the pipe off on the one side. So we have 4 of those. And because those pipes are only 4 meters, but we of course we need to go 530 to 6 meters, we have to have an extension cable as well. So we have 4 of those. Everything's unpacked. We have pretty much everything that we need to have to install the piping, except for the 220 millimeter vertical manifold pipes, but those will arrive tomorrow. So absolutely fantastic. We've had so much fun building that. It's been some nice days and some cold days,
Yeah.
but it's looking better for next week. It's going to be plus degrees during the day, so it's going to be a lot more comfortable to work. We have quite a lot of drilling
Oh.
because we have to make all the holes in now 200 meters of pipe, but okay, it's going to be worth it at the end. We are going to call this video at the end. I think it's quite long already. We're going to catch up with you guys on the next video where we will be back in the hole but installing these pipes. That's going to be really, really exciting. There are going to be some challenges, I'm sure, on how to get them all to stand up while we're putting in all the dirt and refilling. But really, really fun.
Big job.
Big job. So guys, thank you so much. We really, really appreciate all your support. And we look forward to seeing you really, really soon. Yeah? Good night, guys. See you later. Bye.
It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make me smile.
Don't break your hands.
My name is Gold. I will fight Gold. Gold! I want Gold!